One of the biggest innovation, or I would like to call it disruption in logistics industry, is QCOM, which we have it here. Okay, and if I talk about impact in very simple day-to-day languages, I could not have thought of this 5 years back that even after putting my chai on gas, I can still order adrak and enjoy the adrak wali chai at the end of 10 minutes, which is usual time a chai take to get boiled off. So yeah, that's the biggest innovation I can think of. Even sometimes that happens, the guests are there at the door and you don't have snacks. But meanwhile, you just say hi, hello, greet them. The snacks has arrived. Bingo. So I think that's the greatest innovation of the logistics industry. So there is a lot of technological intervention, innovation which is happening in logistics, particularly robotics and AI in warehousing. So 3 things. Number 1, you will see a lot of efficiency coming in. Number 2, there will be a speed to the operations wherein over or SLA and speed to customer will increase. And number 3 definitely is because of this interventions, and we don't have a traditional warehousing practices thanks to technological intervention. We can see more and more diversity coming into these field of logistics, which has traditionally been, male dominated. Yes. So that is the biggest thing I'm hoping to see majority of the female in the operation on the shop floor. So networking and mentorship, I think these are 2 really, really key pillars for anybody to be able to step up the ladder little bit faster than the usual process. Okay. But it's easy said than done. There are multiple cold emails which you will be sending for internship, for mentorship, for getting in touch with people, listen to their insight. But I think even after trying so hard, you are able to get that one mentor in life. That's all worth it. But how exactly to crack this is to, stay very crisp, focused. Don't use ChatGPTs while writing such thing that you are looking forward somebody's mentorship and all. Try to give it a little bit of personal or emotional touch. That I think is something which AI will never be able to crack, and not only we people can do. But having that in hand will definitely give a boost to career, will definitely give a perspective and a comprehensiveness to your thought process, that what are all the areas which you can explore, wherein exactly you can put your passion into work. So these things will definitely help.